If you want to protect your X account and make it much harder for anyone to log in without your permission, setting up two-factor authentication is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on two-factor authentication on X step by step, so you can secure your account in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to x.com or open the X app and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click More. This is the menu with the three dots icon. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now you'll be taken to your account settings. Next, click Security and Account Access, and then choose Security. Inside the Security section, you'll see the option for two-factor authentication. Click that to open the security methods available for your account. This usually gives you a few different ways to verify your login, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose the method that works best for you. The first and most recommended option is Authentication App. This is the safest and most common choice because it uses a code from an app on your phone instead of relying on text messages. To use it, check the box next to Authentication App. Then click Start. X will ask you to enter your password, and in some cases it may also ask you to verify your email or phone number before continuing. After that, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Open an Authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy, and scan that QR code. Once the account is added, the app will generate a rotating 6-digit code. Enter that code back into X to confirm setup. After you complete the verification, your account will now be protected with app-based two-factor authentication. The second option is text message. With this method, X sends a login code to your phone number by SMS whenever you sign in. To use it, select text message and follow the prompts. You may need to enter your password and verify your mobile number before it becomes active. Just keep in mind that this option may depend on your region and, in some cases, may require X Premium. It's simple to use, but the app-based method is generally considered more secure. The third option is Security Key. This is best for people who want hardware-level protection. If you choose this, select Security Key and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your physical security key to your computer or device. X will ask for your password and then guide you through pairing or registering the key. After it's set up, that key becomes part of your login process, adding a very strong layer of protection. No matter which method you choose, make sure you complete the final confirmation step so the setting actually saves to your account. Once two-factor authentication is on, X will require that extra code or key whenever someone tries to log in. That means even if your password is leaked, your account is still much safer. I also recommend saving your backup codes if X provides them and keeping your Authenticator app or security key in a secure place. That way, you won't get locked out later. And that's how you set up two-factor authentication on X step by step. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.